Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Pizza website, full guide. Open your browser and go to the File Pizza homepage, then choose whether you will send or receive a file. Create a new share by selecting your file and copying the generated link or QR code. Send that link to your recipient using chat or email and wait for them to accept the transfer to complete the peer-to-peer exchange. To send a file, click the Send option and pick the file from your device, then keep the Site tab active. Copy the share link or show the QR code so your recipient can connect directly. Tell the recipient to click the link or scan the code promptly and monitor the progress bar until the transfer completes, ensuring no other heavy uploads disrupt your connection during the exchange. When receiving, click the shared link or scan the QR code to connect to the sender's session and start the direct transfer. Choose a download location on your device and confirm any browser prompts to save the file. Keep the connection stable and wait until the progress indicator reaches 100% before you close the tab to ensure the file downloads fully and without corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.